The RTX 5090 disaster launch is not over yet, sadly. Nowadays, cards are catching fire. Now, hold on. By cards, just one card, and the ROG Astral, sadly. Earlier today, a Reddit poster showcased how his ROG Astral basically blew a capacitor and caught fire, damaging his computer. Yes, my friends, we're at this point now where graphics cards can actually catch fire. The latest and greatest model, which undoubtedly costed a lot of money. Tom's Hardware also picks up the article. You can find it in the description down below. Basically what happened is a blown capacitor. The man was playing his games, then stopped playing, browsed, the computer shut down, restarted, and then playing. So there you go. Happy 5090 shopping. For my 2 cents, my 5090, the ASUS stuff, has been performing extremely well, and it's even a champion at overclocking, holding over 3000 MHz on the core consistently and stably in most games. So I'm happy with it. Hopefully nothing melts down. I have it right next to me just in case. And ideally, if you do have a 5090, make sure you use an H++ brand new cable and keep an eye on it. Make sure you follow all the necessary precaution steps. In other news, the 9070 XT will soon be launched, and gamers are praying for a good price and good performance so they can show Nvidia, not this finger, or this one, or this one. We do have all sorts of leaks for the 9070 XT performance. My advice to you is wait for actual reviews so you can see exactly what this amazing card can do. And by the way, those rumors with the 32GB variant have been squashed, at least for now. It doesn't look like AMD will be making a 32GB variant, hopefully in the future. Now, there has been some speculation about a gigahertz model. You guys remember the gigahertz model, which can give the 5080 a run for its money, but again, I don't think that's reality at this point. Again, just wait and see. Keep in mind that these cards have been in stores, in the back rooms for over a month, as AMD did postpone the launch. I'm hoping for an MSRP of 600 USD for the XT and 550 for the normal variant. But I think that's a little bit optimistic. Anyway, we'll see soon enough. But hold on, the 5090 disappointment train does not stop there. Did you buy a 5090? Did you, huh? Did you? Happy with it? You might want to check your ROPs. What are ROPs? Basically, they're pipelines, and they're responsible for pushing out those frame rates to your, well, technically to the output, and also for anti-aliasing. In any case, you should install GPU-Z and make sure you have all of your ROPs, because some cards have reported not having an entire cluster or 8 ROPs. Now, if you've never done this before, let me show you exactly how this one goes. Tech power up GPU-Z, like so. You get yourself to the download page and you get this fantastic program. By the way, the initial article was posted by Tech Power Up. I do recommend you toss them a follow. And this is the screen that greets you. Now, I'm fully aware there's a lot of information here, but bear with me. For example, technology 5N. Hold on, that can't possibly be right. I know for a fact that the 5090 heard the bird is on 4N technology, and you would be right, because what TSMC did is pull an old marketing trick. They call their 5nm technology 4N. It's like taking chocolate ice cream and calling it vanilla. That's essentially what they did, but rest assured it is 5nm process. What we are interested in, if you bought yourself a 5090 or if you want to check a 5090 before buying it, ROPs right here, 176, not 168. Nvidia did release a statement saying that 0.5 of 5090s, 5090Ds, and 5070 Ti's are affected by this issue. Now, from where I'm standing, it looks like a cluster is deactivated when it comes to these ROPs. The graphical impact, 4%. So obviously you don't want a card like this. In case you did get a GPU with missing ROPs, contact the manufacturer to get yourself an exchange. It's not going to be affecting the AI performance, but it will be affecting the graphical performance. And that's pretty much gonna do it. If you enjoyed this vid, make sure you drop a like and a sub. There will be plenty more content like this to come, including my full RTX 5090 ASUS OC review. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.